And welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at question 1 from the 2023 Maths Specialist Paper 2. Question 1 from the external exam. Now you would have noticed with all of the videos on the channel I've started splitting them up into their own individual videos for each question. That way I can go into a bit more depth on each question, and if pretty much someone gets stuck on only one question rather than like all of them, they can go watch that video. The link to the full exam is still up on YouTube, so you can still watch that. If you need a specialist external exam bundle pack, the link is in the description below. But otherwise, let's get straight into question 1. Now, question 1. The acceleration of an object moving with simple harmonic motion is modeled by acceleration equals negative 2.5x, where x is the displacement from the origin. Determine the period of motion in seconds. Okay, so when we're doing this question here, we need to be referring to are rules from simple harmonic motion, mainly these ones here, if I can get them on the page. Okay, so hopefully you should be able to see that. These rules here are your go-to when we're doing simple harmonic motion. Okay, now the thing I want you to look at is this guy here. That is actually that one there, because acceleration is the second derivative of position with respect to time. So here we've been given exactly that equation there. Acceleration equals negative 2.95x. Okay, so here we can work out that omega squared is actually that guy there. So negative 2.95 is equal to negative omega squared. Okay, or you can just go 2.95 equals omega. Now the reason why that's important in this question here is because they've said determine the period of motion in seconds. Well, here the period is 2 pi divided by omega. So in order to find the period, you need to find what omega is. Now this is a calculator question, okay? Because you won't be able to do it without one. So to get omega, first of all divide both sides by negative 1. Then you're going to do square root. So omega is the square root of 2.95. The period of something in simple harmonic motion according to this equation here, it can look like this or that. In this case here they've given this one here. The period is 2 pi divided by omega, which in this case here is the square root of 2.95. Now if you chuck that into your calculator, you get roughly 3.658. Now here the answer that best matches that is D. So D is your correct answer. Is this an easy question? Yes, if you know what the formulas look like or have the formula sheet. No, if you don't. Okay. They can make this one harder, definitely. So for example, if they wanted velocity, you'd have to probably differentiate it with respect to time, and then you'd have to implicitly differentiate one of them. But in this case here, just because it's a multiple choice, it's pretty easy. If you struggle with this one here, you need to look at simple harmonic motion in a bit more detail. If you need a specialist external exam bundle pack, the link is in the description below. If you want the link to the full exam, the link is also in the description below. But otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions about this one here, also drop something in the comments.